Hi, my name is Mike. I want to do a YouTube video here on how to hook up two washers and two dryers in your basement. Now, I've been on YouTube for 5 months. I put this on one of my shorts, but I thought I'd put it on a longer video to help people out. Now, let me zoom around here. Now, I want to show you step by step on how to hook up two washers and two dryers. Now, on this side, when I moved into the house here, this is on a gas hookup on this side. Now here's the gas side, and here's the original duct, or the original opening that goes outside for the vent. Yes, and that's the duct. So this is the gas side here. Now on this side, I had a 220 line put in, and you can see right here, that's a 220. So I got a gas side here, and this side here is electric, and they're both on different circuit breakers, so it won't trip when you can do two loads at the same time, and it won't trip. Now this isn't for everybody, but I've been living here by myself actually for 20 years, and I do a lot of laundry, and I worked a lot during my life, but this has really helped me out. It's like a little mini laundromat down here, and you can cut your laundry time in half. Now if you got a lot of kids, this will really help you out a lot. Now on this side with the electric, that's got that 220 plug. Now this here, this is let me show you this. This is this washer I bought here, and all this stuff works. I'll plug it in and show it to you. Now let me go hit this. These are on different breakers, so I want to show you this real quick. There's the breaker box. I'll turn that on. I shut everything off so that everything ain't plugged in all the time. Now let me show you. I'll turn this one on for the electric. See there? I'll set this. Now watch. Hear that? I'm showing that everything works. That was that side for the electric. Now let me show you this gas side. Here's the gas side. I'll turn this on. Oops. Now watch. Now this side's going. Now watch when I open the door. See there? So that both works. Now here's the I've been doing wash this morning, and now this washer, I'm showing you that everything works for having two washers and two dryers. Now watch. This is for this gas side. Let me turn this on. That's alright. Came unplugged. Okay, watch. Hear that? Here's for the gas side. I got clothes in there now. So anyhow, this side here, this is for the electric. Now watch. This side, I don't have nothing in it now, but you see the power's on. So I'm showing you that works. So you can have two washers, two dryers. Now, here's how you can hook up your water hookup. Right here, where my hand's at, that's for your Y's. That's where your hot and cold, where you're hot, if you just have a single set. Now you can go to Home Depot or a plumbing store. They sell these Y's. It's called a Y, and you can get one for the hot and one for the cold. Screw it in there, and then you can have two hots and two colds. So that'll work for both sets. You got water line for both, and those are called like a double Y, and they can get that for you at the home improvement store. Now I like to put these lint traps here on each one. See, I got one for each washer, and I buy these stainless steel screen lint traps, zip tie them on there, and that's gonna keep that's gonna keep a lot of lint from going down into your tub there, so you don't have back up and have to snake it or whatever. But that's even if you had a single set. So that's how you got the water line hooked up. Now, yeah, see, this is draining out of here now. That's for the gas side. This will really help you out a lot. If and you could hook this up yourself if you're a little handy. I hooked all this stuff up myself. Now this side has a 220 line. I had an electrician hook this up for me. It was a kind of like a friend in the neighborhood. He only charged me $100. See, this is that's a 220 line for this electric dryer. That way one side's gas, one side's electric. And now this side here, this duct, I had a glass block window right here, and it had a vent on it for an air vent. I took that vent out of there and I ran my duct out that window, and then I used some like sheet metal to go around the left and the right a little bit there to fill in the gap, and then caulked it. So there's a lot of stuff you can do yourself or have someone do it for you. But you can have 2 washers, 2 dryers, cut your load in half. If you're tired of doing laundry all the time, this can really speed things up. And this really didn't cost me a whole lot of money. And like I said, they're both on different circuit breakers, so it won't trip. So, hey, I'm like very few people that have their own 2 washers and 2 dryers in their basement. It's like a little mini laundromat. And yeah, I'll give you a little tip here while I'm here. Well, I use this soap here, and with powdered soap, let me turn this around here. With the powdered soap, you don't have to put the big giant scoop. Now let me run here. You don't have to put a big giant scoop of laundry detergent, and that just gets more soap gummed up in your laundry tub here. Let me show you what I do here. I have this plastic container cup here, and I take you look online, you ask on the Google, how much laundry detergent do I put to do a load of laundry? And they'll tell you, it takes 2 tablespoons, excuse me, it takes 2 tablespoons for a load. So I put 2 of these into that cup, and then I mix a little water while the water's running in the washing machine, and just two nice tablespoons of that laundry detergent will get your clothes real clean, and you'll save a lot of money on soap. So I thought I'd throw that in there. So hey, this is how you can do it. And look, I got the one side here, this is for the 220 plug. You see that? Let's zoom in here. This is this side for the electric, has its own duct, and this is the gas side, that has its own duct. So I got 2 dryer ducts, 1 for each set. And they're, like I said, they're both on different circuit breakers. And this is how you can hook up your water line, 2 sets. And so, hey, that's about it for me. I've been on YouTube for only 5 months. I got a lot of good tips out there. I do home illustrations. I've been a handyman for over 40 years. And I do a lot of comedy videos. And I preach the gospel on YouTube. And I do a lot of singing videos. I got like Alice Cooper, and I do country and a lot of other ones, but I got a lot of good videos out there. Like, subscribe, comment. That's about it for me. This is how you can hook up 2 washers and 2 dryers. You have a good day out there. Bye-bye.